What's up, My House TV, man? We are back with a vlog, man. This is gonna be a little different vlog. Y'all know I have a bird, man. I have an African gray parrot. So what we're about to get ready to do, man, they got an event today. And the people that's putting it on, I gotta look at my phone because I forgot what it's called. It's called the Greater Omaha Cage Bird Society, and they putting on a bird fair here at the Grass Wagon event center here in Council Bluffs, man. So we finna get ready to go in there and see what this thing about, man. Hey, I got me a little sidekick today. Look at Vanna. Hey, Van. So we about to get ready to go ahead and see what's going on, man. Let's see, man. They might got some birds in here. They might got a macaw. We want a macaw. Maybe they got a macaw for adoption. I don't know, man. Let's get in here and see.
So you know who it is. I say it's my house TV. It's my house. It's my house. I say it's my house TV. It's my house. It's my house. I say it's my house TV. It's my house. I say it's my house TV. It's my house. I say it's my house TV. It's my house. It's my house. It's my house. It's my house. I say it's my house TV. It's my house, it's my house, it's my house, it's my house. I say it's my house TV.
Alright, so we are here. We're about to get ready to go on this thing right here. I don't know if we need a mask, but we'll see. But like I said, we are at the Grass Wagon event center. We'll see if we got to go back and get us a mask. I don't know. Here we go right here, y'all. Look at the sign. There we go. The Greater Omaha Cage Bird Society Bird Fair. Let's see if we got to wear a mask. All right, people, we just got in here and it's a $4 admission. You got your stamp? What kind of stamp you got? Bird stamp. We got bird stamps, y'all. So we're gonna get ready to walk around. We do see some birds. Here's some birds. Huh? Let's go over here. Let's see. Oh, look at those birds. All right, they got the little prices on it.
They got
so that's I'm not even sure what that is. Okay, it's not included for these birds, so you gotta bring your own.
What is that bird doing?
Cage. Look at them birds over there, huh? I don't know, he upside down, huh? Yeah, it's crazy.
That one's swinging.
That one's swinging? It is swinging. You're right, they don't got music going on here, people. Ooh, these are $75. Those are cute.
Yeah, those two.
Huh? Oh, it's another one. Oh, it's two of them in there? This is $75 for both. Oh, they each. Okay, so $50 for each. I'm not even sure what kind of birds these are they got on there. Spring bird, some kind of American yellow spring bird, I guess. I don't know. They writing cursive, people. They writing cursive, I can't read cursive. Ooh, that is pretty, huh? Look at the colors on that thing. That is pretty. Those are nice. Wow. Oh, look at those back there. Those must be all exclusive back there. Alright, what you thinking so far? It's pretty cool? This is pretty cool. I ain't saying it's gonna have this many birds in here.
I see a big one right there.
You see a big bird in here? Alright, let's go see this big bird. Oh, these are little birds. Oh, because you seen the lettuce? Look at those little tiny things. Dang, those things are tiny. I don't know what kind of birds those are. Those are tiny. Let's go. Where do you want to go now? Let's go to this table. Let's go see what they got over here. Which one? Oh, you do. Look at those. Oh, man. Look at that. That is pretty neat. Ooh, look at those two right there. Those are pretty. Those are pretty. Wow, look at that. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. Huh? Oh, yeah, it's $150. Looks like a cockatoo, but I don't think it is. I don't know what that is. Oh, man. Oh, these are breeding pairs, y'all. These are parrotlets. They're a breeding pair. You can get you some babies out of those. Yeah, look, you see them? Those are nice. Oh, look at all of these. That is crazy.
There's so much lining up.
There's so many. Yeah, they're lined all up.
And then there's some back there.
Yeah, they are lined all up, huh?
That looks like Pippa.
Oh, this one? Yeah, I do. Yeah. African gray. There's Pepper.
Look at those tiny ones.
Oh my, look what it is. Oh, this is what we want, y'all. It's a macaw, y'all. Look at the macaw. That is pretty neat. Wow, look at it. Oh, wow.
That's a big one. All right, buddy.
Yeah, this is big.
Do you want to pet him?
You want to pet it?
No.
Yeah, I do.
You can hold him.
I can hold him?
Yeah, you want me to take a picture?
Yeah. Ooh, look a nice bird. How old?
13.
13 years old. That's why you're so nice. Hey, we want a bird like you. We want a macaw. Yeah, we want one. We have an African gray.
They're fine. Show me your pretty wings, Quincy.
Oh, show me your wings.
The pretty wings. Where's your
Oh,
pretty wings?
pretty wings. Ooh. Yes, that is beautiful. Thank you for letting me hold it.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh, people, I'm excited, man. I got to hold the macaw because that's what I want. I want the macaw. How you doing? They got all kind of vendors in here that's doing all kind of stuff, selling all kind of stuff, cups and things like that. I see an African gray parrot, y'all. I see an African gray parrot. Let's turn this thing around so we can check her out or check him out. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a baby. Oh my God. Look at the price on that thing, though.
She's almost like our bird.
Yeah, $4,500. It's $4,000 for the bird. It is a baby. Look at that little tail. Oh my God. It looks more like a Congo.
The eyes are
I think it's a Congo because it's so dark, y'all. I think that's a Congo. I think
Look at this one.
what is it, Timna? Something like that. Is
What is that one doing?
or was it the Timna is dark? I don't know.
What is that one doing?
Oh, that's a baby too. These are babies. What are those? Oh my gosh, look at those. What did it say? Macaw. I don't say that macaw. Young, still hand feeding. Those not macaws. Those are not macaws. Those are not macaws. I don't know what kind of macaws they are, how big they get. But that's nice. Oh yeah, look at those birds. Ooh, look at those birds. They're pretty. Look at it. Oh my. Beautiful. Alright, we wanna go. Oh, look at the white one over here. Let's go on this side. They got all types of toys. Look like they made some toys in here. Oh, look at that bird just chilling up there. Hey, birdie. There is a... Hey, don't let me chop up these names, Look at that bird right there. Look at the bird. Oh, yeah, look at it. It's a cockatiel. A cockatiel. Oh, there's baby Quakers in there. Oh my. Some baby Quakers. I know. It's a cockatoo. That's what TT Jamie has, right? And hers. Oh, it looks so nice. I don't know how old it is. It's a female. It looks so nice though. What's one over here? Oh yeah. More cockatiels. Cockatoos.
Ew, what is that one look like?
Yeah. All these toys and things like that. That you can purchase. Man. Look at all these over here.
Look at those.
Yes, yes.
Those are big.
Look at all those birds. Oh, those are beautiful.
I like that red one.
Gosh, that red one is so beautiful. Wow. Look at all the nice toys they have in here.
There's one over here.
I know, but look at all these nice toys that they made. Those are pretty nice. I like this one.
Look at this one.
Pepper can play on that one. Yeah, I know Pepper can play on this one though.
Pepper would like that one.
I know, I like that. That's pretty neat. You know, what's
Look
the
at
price
these
tags
ones.
on this thing? Oh, this only $18. Oh wow, I'm about to get me some toys for Pepper, y'all. It's only $18. Wow. She's gonna be so scared of that though, y'all. She is. They look like they make these themselves. So hopefully they know what they're doing. Oh, this is right here is big. That one? I know, those are so big.
There's a ball.
Yeah. Their prices are cheaper than the pet store.
Oh, yeah.
That is pretty neat. Oh yes, Pepper need a cage like thing like that, huh?
No, it's like, or like this, like a bigger.
No, that's small. She need this big thing here.
I know.
That's $380, y'all. That is pretty neat. I like that. I like that thing there. Let's see what we got over here. What kind of birds? Wow, look at that. Oh, it's so little, huh? Wow.
That's probably the dad and the mommy. That's the little baby.
You think so?
Yeah.
Man,
Look at those ones.
I know, those are pretty neat. Look at all those little tiny ones running around like that. That was funny, huh? That was funny, huh?
That'll be in this
Man.
week also.
Yeah. Yeah, all the food. Pepper. Oh my gosh, yeah. Yeah, all kind of food on there. Yeah. You can get all kinds of stuff. Let's go look at these toys. I got all these cool toys. Look like they're handmade over here as well. Now that's pretty neat.
You could just stand on here and play.
Yeah, I know. That is pretty neat right there. I like that. That's pretty neat. Alright, they got more cool toys over here. These are pretty neat.
Pepper, which one is?
Yeah.
See which one's that?
Huh?
I see Pepper again.
Yeah, I know.
And then all the birds.
That is pretty
Peppa.
neat, huh? Yeah, all of these prices are a little bit more expensive than the other one over there, but they're cheaper than the store, I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. That's pretty neat, huh? I like how these come off, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go look at some more birds.
Look at some more birds.
Uh-huh.
Look at those. Oh, man. I know, that's crazy, huh? Look at that one with the bear on it. That is crazy. Yeah, you can tell that those are all handmade. Alright. Oh no, one of the birds got a loose, you all. Look at the bird. He got a loose. Oh no, the bird is gone. There we go, the bird got loose, y'all. Oh no, he got out. Oh my God. He's trying to get it out. There's the bird. Oh, y'all. Hey, somebody must have bought the bird. They must take it out. And they can't catch the bird full away before they can put it in something. Oh man, look at these sun conures right here.
You want a pet one?
Huh?
You want a pet one?
You want a pet one? Yeah. Yeah, let me pet one. It's already video on. Alright.
So you do put it in your hand.
Huh?
You can put it in your hand.
They babies? Oh, they don't fly yet. Oh, look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh. I know. Look at it. Oh. I'm so nice though. Oh man, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh, yes. Those are pretty, man. It's pretty cool. Oh, they caught the bird, y'all. Oh, they caught the bird. It flew right in his hands, y'all. Oh man. I know. They're so tiny.
That's small.
Yeah.
Yeah, they put tiny.
I know, they're so small. Look at them, they're so tiny. They don't got no tail. Oh, they flew away. They went over there.
What it says.
Oh man, that is
What it
nice.
says.
That is crazy. Look how nice y'all.
What it says.
Alright, so we're gonna buy Pepper a toy. Let's see what we're gonna get her. Because these are some great prices over here. I love these little prices over here. This one's $8. $8. Which one you think she should get? I don't know about that one. She needs something with some wood on it that she can eat up. You like that?
Or
She needs something big too. Let me see. I want to know how much this big old thing is over here that she could stand on. I don't know how much that one is right there. Oh, what is oh, it's only $20, y'all. It's only $20. I'm getting this. It's only $20, boo. We getting this one. Yeah, we getting this one.
Okay, you hold this and I'll hold those.
You gonna hold this one?
Yeah, hold this.
All right, hold that.
Hold it.
You want this? We gonna get this one too?
Yeah.
Hold on, let's see if we can find some other kind real quick.
Okay.
Cause I like that. That is big. Yeah, she can stand on it. And she can do it. Let's see where do we pay at?
I woke up at
Oh man, you woke up the puppy.
I didn't.
I'm so sleep.
I didn't
You
wake
woke
it
him
up.
up. You so sleep.
Ooh, no.
You so sleep.
That-
You woke him up.
Daddy.
Alright. This your station? Alright, I'm gonna get these two right here. Man, y'all can't beat this. This is about to be $42, y'all.
It's
These right
a
here
10
will
and
bring you
11.
probably like 80 to 100 of this food,
This
y'all.
is a 10. You're so pretty.
Hey. Alright, people, so that was actually pretty cool. What you thought? It was pretty cool? It was pretty cool? Yeah, we just want to make a short video, man. So, those of you that be looking for those bird fairs, especially the one that be here in Council Bluffs, that's put on by the Greater Omaha Bird Cage Society. Y'all know what I said the first time, but yeah, this is what you get, man. They got some cool birds in here. They got different vendors in here. They got people that different breeders in here, different toys, man. That guy over there, man. He those toys right there are very great prices, y'all. Great prices. So actually, I'm about to go get his card, y'all, so I can get his information for you all. Yeah, he had a little dog in there, but yeah. We got us some toys, man. These are big, y'all. These are big. All right, y'all. When y'all see Show Me Exotics and Toys, man, hey, when y'all see them at the bird fair, hey, you better go get y'all some cool, inexpensive toys, man. These toys are handmade, and they are great, man. I know a lot of you bird educators out there are gonna be like, oh, what kind of wood is that made for them, or what kind of paint they use, because it ain't safe. I don't know. If it's a wild bird, guess what? They're gonna be out there eating on any and everything anyway, so it'll be just fine. So, hey, Van, come here. So that's it for this video, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. You liked it? You loved it? Hey, that's it, man. Hey, see y'all on the next video. Peace.